Bitcoin, January 6, 2026, daily review. So top-down analysis, starting with the monthly time frame. Price action going up. We got bullish. Then in November, strong bear candle. Then compression candle for December. And now we got a bullish candle for January. Seems like it's picking up above the December, so that's engulfing. But there's no tail on this December, which is to be take cautious on, because every candle normally has a wick coming down, a tail. There's no tail here, which means price may come back down to give it a wick. Possible. What you want to see is not here, there's no wick. If you go further back, it's not one here, no wick. No wick here. But it's very rare, so you have to keep an eye on that. And it's just the beginning of January, so once weekly time frame, price action above the 200 MA, that's bullish. It's curving up. Each low is getting higher, higher, so that's showing some strength. Daily time frame, price action went below the 200 MA, showing weakness. Slam down, then curving up. This might be a chart pattern that either a bear flag or beginnings of a pump here, or an Adam and Eve chart pattern. But you see these red lines, vertical lines, meaning that there's news coming up in the next few days, which could definitely cause some volatility, some catalysts, so it can definitely cause some probably push up or push down. We're under the 200 MA, so be cautious. So if you're under the 200 MA, that's bearish. 1 hour time frame was showing a lot of consolidation going on. It was slightly going up here, and price action is getting above the 200 MA, showing some bullishness. So it's probably getting out of a lull. Very just stagnant sideways action. So if this comes up, then probably retest the 200 and goes up again. That would be confirmation of definitely a bullish bias, meaning that energy and power is getting back into the market. 15 minute, same thing, chop. Price action rising, so it's the 200 MA. See trend lines. Price action went above the 200, yellow 200 MA. You have the 4-hour trend line here, and you have the 2-hour trend line here. So this is the safety line, this is the action line. Price action went above it, retested it down here, and then kept on going up. So that shows some strength. And you got some safety lines connecting these higher lows and these higher lows, showing more strength. But it's really taking off here. Good thing is 200 MA is sticking close to that price action, so it may not be overheated as of yet. But I know from if you look at the other charts here, that there are CME gaps here and here. It doesn't always have to fill it, but I would think that the market would want to come back, retest, fill this CME gap, and then rise above. So that is in the back of my brain. So as of right now, everything is bullish. But we have some news that are coming in the next few days that may cause some disruption. Look at the heat map, not too much volume going on here. We got some here, and got more smaller ones down here, so it's going to go sideways. So not expecting too much action, especially there's no news coming out today. That is the summary for December 6, 2026, daily update on Bitcoin.